What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, and today we are going to talk about hard work.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So basically, I wanted to make a video about this because a story recently came up, and I thought I'd share it with you guys because it's kind of frustrating to me, honestly. I'd bought a product through ClickFunnels, and I was getting ready to build out a funnel. I know how to build out a funnel. I've built out many, but it was a product. It was like a 30-day type of challenge, and I wanted to go ahead and use that model of, if you will, to build out my next big affiliate launch. And I'm doing this right. Like, I'm making blog posts that are valuable. I'm writing a 250-page book on how to basically, for beginners, how to affiliate market. I call it the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. And I'm, putting together an email sequences, build out an Infusionsoft. I'm putting together, obviously the sales pages, the offers, all that stuff. It takes a lot of time, okay? There's not anything that's easy about putting out an info product, especially a good one. I mean, there's people out there that put out a bunch of junk, but that's not me, okay? I can't put out junk. I'm only going to put out stuff that I know is working right now. We're crushing it with these affiliate campaigns, and there's no reason why I can't teach somebody how to do what we're doing and exactly the steps we took to get to where we are. I can teach people that, okay? And I'm confident that when I put out this product, it's going to be so valuable that people are going to tell their friends about it and they're going to want to buy it, okay? That's how good I'm going to make this product. So what pisses me off is that I bought this product and it was like a 30-day challenge. Every day they have, a new video from Russell, one from this girl that would talk more about the ClickFunnels side, and then another motivational video from this guy. I think his name's Steven. And it was pretty good. I was actually getting into it. I was keeping up with it for the first couple weeks. And then I started writing my book, and I was getting, busy with other stuff. And I kind of fell behind on it. And I'm like, next thing you know, I'm 3 days behind on it, 4 days behind on it. Pretty soon I'm a week behind. I'm like, whatever, I'll get to it. And, I went back in this weekend to kind of catch up on it. And they took the freaking thing down. And I'm like, I paid for this. I'm like, what the hell? So I was a little bit disappointed in the fact that, obviously not everybody's schedule fits into exactly 30 days to get this whole thing built out. And they wanted you to build out all these one-time offers and stuff. Well, when I build out a one-time offer, like an upsell, for the offer stack, I'm going to build out something that's actually good and valuable. And you don't build that in an hour or two. I mean, it takes a couple days sometimes to shoot all the videos, edit them, put them into a members area. I mean, this is hard work, okay? This is stuff that takes a lot of time to do it right. And it's just kind of frustrating me that these guys think that anybody out there could actually complete this challenge in 30 days with everything that you need to do to make a really good quality product launch. It just burns me. So it is what it is. I do like ClickFunnels. I do use ClickFunnels. I do like Russell Brunson. I've actually had dinner with Russell a few years back at the Traffic and Conversion Summit. Real nice guy. But at the end of the day, I was just a little bit disappointed in the fact that they took down the videos and I didn't ever get to complete the challenge. Now, the last week was all about traffic, and obviously I'm an affiliate marketer, so I'm not too worried about the traffic part of it. I obviously know how to do that. And build out the funnel was week number 3, which I was halfway through, and I knew how to do everything in there already. So it was no big deal to miss. I know what I missed the last 2 weeks, but I still would have liked to have just gone through it just to say that I completed it. And maybe I would have picked up a nugget or two. Russell's a really smart guy, and every once in a while he'll throw out something that I just didn't think about, and it's valuable. So it is what it is. But the main focus of this video, guys, here is that putting out quality stuff and doing a good job in any job, okay? Whether you're working for somebody, whether you're working for yourself, is you got to put in the hard work, okay? I found over time that when I put in the deepest, hardest work is when I have the most success, okay? You can call it hard work, you can call it deep work, but you need to put some time aside every day, whether it be in the morning before you go to work, in the evening, quiet time, close the door behind you type of thing, and do the deep work, okay? Write the blog post. Don't sit there and just, copy somebody else's stuff. Okay, you can use somebody else's information to model, okay? I like to model, but then you got to rewrite it yourself, put your own images, make sure that you really understand what you're teaching people, and then put it out in your own words so that people can understand what you're trying to get across. This stuff takes time. I think the last 3 blog posts I did, each took me over 4 hours, and that was just per blog post, to write them out, put them into my WordPress, and then to shoot a video, and then to put them out. Over 4 hours per blog post. Okay, that's a lot of time. That's a big commitment to sit there and put out a blog post for 4 hours straight. Okay, but I'm going after keywords. Those blog posts should rank. And basically, every time I put out one of those blog posts, over time, it might take 3 months, it might take 6 months, it might take a year. But those blog posts are like salesmen on the internet. Okay, every time I put out a video like this one, teaching you guys about hard work, I put this out there. Somebody's going to see it. Maybe they're going to share this with their friend. Maybe they're going to, share it on social media. Maybe they're going to get some advantages to come back and watch it another time. This video is a salesman for me and is working for me 24/7 on the internet. And instead of having to do my hard work once, I only have to do my hard work over and over again. Every time somebody asks me about, what is it about hard work? What makes it hard? Well, I can just be like, hey, I got a whole video on that. Just go ahead and watch that. Okay. So the hard work is a lot less when you basically take the power of the internet and put your work onto the internet and use that as leverage, okay, to create the lifestyle that you want. Okay, at the end of the day, the hard work is to create the lifestyle you want through leverage on the internet. Okay, so hopefully you guys learned something today, and that is probably the biggest takeaway I can give you guys this week is the leverage of the internet and putting in the hard work to make sure your content is valuable and that people actually want to watch that content, and you can use that content to make money for the rest of your life. I am the Marketing Meathead, and if you could leave me a comment below if you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you. And go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and bang that notifications bell as well. And moon up those likes for me. And we'll talk to you guys later. I'm the Marketing Meathead.